Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here planning for the week of August 20th through whatever that day is, 20th through the 26th. So, as you can tell, I'm still recovering a little bit. So, I am going back to a Dutch door for this week, and I hope you guys all like it. So I'm just going to hop right in here, and yeah. So let's try it out. So I'm going to start by cutting the paper in half, so that's 14 spaces in for the Scribbles That Matter journal. And I'm going to use this washi tape from Scribble Prints Co. to tape the page that I cut off to the other pages. That way I'm not wasting any paper. And this washi tape is marble with silver confetti from Scribble Prints Co. Now I'm just getting out the blue skinny washi that I've been using. It's from the Simply Gilded July box. So I'm using that to mark off my days between the At a Glance and my other days, and then doing the same on the back side. It ties in a little bit of that blue again, and then marking this week for my At a Glance section. Couldn't find my circle maker, so I'm just using the inside of the washi tape to mark in where I'm going to put my balls, where I'm going to tie in that summer theme a little bit, and I'm going to go back over with my Tombow and then mark in the lines for the beach balls and color them in with the Tombow. I'm just using the Tombow Feud here to mark in the days for the At a Glance, and then go ahead and mark in the actual numbers for those days. And then marking in the day headers for each of the sections with the Dutch door. A lot of space left over because I wanted to keep my weekend together, so I decided to pull in a quote that would help me really get back into things this week, and then I put in a dark shadow for that. Now I'm just going to mark in a few things that I know that's going on this week, even though I don't really have a clue what all needs to happen next week, because I haven't looked at my work computer yet. But I thought that adding in this little bit of silver would help tie in with the washi tape a little bit. And now I'm going to mark in my weather for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, because I didn't want to fill out too far ahead of time. So I glanced back at my last week to see what things are outstanding from work, because I have a feeling that list is going to be quite long, coming back from a whole week where I wasn't able to do much because I was sick. So I'm pulling in a few of those tasks, and I'll be able to check more again later when I add in all of my work tasks when I log in. One of the things that I liked about this week was bringing back my habit tracker. So I'm adding a little habit tracker to the bottom, and then adding in a drop shadow with my Tombow Feud, and writing in habits with the bullet end of my Tombow, and then checking back and forth to see which tasks I need to add in for my habit list. Alright, so there you have it. I have a little At a Glance on this left side. In terms of Monday, this is the stuff that I have from last week that I wanted to move over to this week. Again, this will get filled out a little bit more when I get a better idea of what's going on and what I need to accomplish. So I think my work list might be quite large on Monday, so at least I can write everything down. So I don't want to put in the lines yet until I get a better idea. And then Tuesday, I'm leaving blank Wednesday, I've just added in the weather through Wednesday, then I have Friday and the weekend, and then I have Maya Angelou quote, "Still I Rise," which is a little bit pointed for this week, where I need to get up off of my butt because I have literally been in bed the entire week. So "Still I Rise" I feel like is a good quote, and I kind of want to do a little bit of a doodle here, but I didn't really know what, and I'm still a little bit too tired to go into depth with it. So I'm just going to leave that space so I can do some little penguin over here or something like that. So I hope you guys like this Dutch Door Weekly. It's a little bit different than the Dutch Door I've been doing lately with the information and habits on the inside. So sorry again about my voice. I'm kind of losing my voice after coughing so much. So I'm really excited about this week. So I hope you guys like this weekly, and thank you guys for putting up with me while my voice has been not so great. And I will see you again on Friday. And don't forget to vote on all the things that are going on in my stories on Instagram at Erin Floto Designs, because I am leaving the entire month of September, the theme, up to you guys, because I'm lacking a little bit of motivation with being sick and everything. So it's all up to you guys. So go vote there, and I will see you on Friday. Thanks, everyone.